Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Tesla glove box not opening. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Tesla glove box here, it's not opening, well, there are going to be a few things that you could try doing. So first things first is you want to make sure that the car is on, and in this case, it's actually unlocked. So in this case, this may sound basic, but Tesla designs some features like a glove box to only work when the car is actually powered on. So in this case, or in accessory mode here. So in this case, what you need to do is you want to check if your car is on or is it unlocked. So in this case, you may want to try toggling those states if you're unsure. And also you may want to try the release button. Now, depending on your Tesla model, the glove box may be opened using a physical button on the dash or others here, or a digital button on the touchscreen, typically under controls and under glove box. Now, if pressing it doesn't do anything, well, in this case, there's another thing you could do. Now, you may want to try rebooting the system. Now, sometimes a software glitch could be the reason here, so the release isn't responding. So what you need to do is you want to hold both the scroll wheel on your steering wheel for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now, in this case, the touchscreen will go black and then restart, and once it actually reboots, try opening the glove box again and through the touchscreen. Next is you may want to check for any instructions or a jam. Now, for example, for Model S and X here, so you may want to gently press or pull on the glove box while pressing on the released button. Now, sometimes the latch can get slightly stuck and just needs a little nudge in order for you to release that. And if nothing actually works here, well, in this case, maybe it's time to contact Tesla service. So in this case, it may be a great idea to contact them. This might be a larger issue or a deeper issue with your car or with your Tesla here. So contacting them can solve your issue. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.